Good morning, children. Yes, already we have started the fifth unit, education and career. Now we have started fifth unit, A reading, which were completed. It is not fully completed. Half of the lesson A reading, which were completed before. Now remaining part, I am going to explain. Just look at the textbooks at page number 72. Yes, here page number 72, BR. Yes, when you knew that you had incurred the wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly, when you knew you would get caning, what was the state of your mind? Here the teacher asked. The teacher, wrath means here severe angry. Okay, the teacher have shown on you severe angry, and the teacher beat you with the canes. Okay, severely. Then what is your state of your mind? How did you feel at that time? Who asked that? Miss Balaraja. She asked that what is your state of your mind? Did you feel shy? Did you feel bad? She asked that. Then immediately, what did he say? Hafiz contract. State of mind. Just lift up hand and they would cane you. It would hurt badly, and then I would have to forget about it because I would want to go and play. What are you asking? State of my mind? No, not at all. I did not feel bad at all. Okay, every time I feel to play, I wanted to play. I never feel badly. Every time the teacher is ready to give the punishment, just I lift my hand like this. Okay, the teacher gives the punishment and simply I forgot it. I never feel bad, you say. Have you ever felt insecure or threatened? And here she is asking, have you ever feel insecure or threatened? Threatened means, do you have any fear? If you are not doing your homework, will you feel fear? The teacher will beat me. If I do not do my homework, definitely the teacher will beat me. If you have such a fear, she is asking. The Balaraja is asking. Hafiz contractor. It was just interested in playing and nothing else. Just I am interested only in playing, nothing else. More than that, I don't have any interest on regarding subjects. I was most interested in funny pranks. One day, I did not want to study, so I created distraction for 1 whole hour. We played chore police. Yes, here is very mischievous fellow in the class. Just to see. One day, he did not want to study. He did not want to study. He distracted all the class. He disturbed the whole class. He disturbed all the class students, and 1 hour they played chore police in the classroom. Yes, one day I did not want to study, so I created distraction, means disturbance entire class. So we played 1 hour along with the students. He played 1 hour chore police in the class. Yes, and every Saturday we were allowed to go into town to see movies. Here he is the hostler. So on every Saturday the hostel has given the permission for the students to go out. So and they watch movies in the time of Saturday. Yes, every Saturday we were allowed to go into town to see a movie. So what I would do was have no lunch and collect money from 40 to 50 students and run buy the tickets. Yes, here in the time of Saturday he collected money from the students. Okay, 40 to 50 students he collected money, and here in the hostel they will provide the food. In the time of afternoon they will provide the food, and he will not eat that food. In the hostel food he did not eat. Okay, he collected the money from the students. Okay, for example, the ticket cost is just 100 rupees. Okay, and he asked the students to give 110 rupees, means 110 rupees. Extra 10 rupees he saved. Okay, with the 10 rupees what he has done, just to see. Okay, 40 to 50 students he collected the money to buy the tickets. Yes, on my way back I would eat my heart's content. On my way back, while I am coming from the movie, I will eat my heart's content. Heart's content is self-satisfaction. Okay, and he goes to any restaurant at the time. Okay, and he ate whatever he wants. He did not eat the hostel food. And on Saturday he collected the money from the student. With the money he saved some money, and from that money he went to the any hotel. There whatever he wants he ate there. That is his routine in his school days. Yes, and some more things are there he has done. Just to see. I used to be a leader of a gang. I would have a gang fight and play strategies. These things used to interest me more than any academics. Not only these games, gangs. I maintain some gangs and gang fights and strategies. Okay, these are the things were interested. I have a lot of interest on these things more than academics, more than the subjects. I got so much interest on gang fights, gangs, strategies, games. I have interest only in these things, he said. Yes, and one more. Students used to book my textbooks for the following year because they were almost brand new. I probably opened them one day before exam. Yes, here. And the junior students, before going to the next class, okay, now for every academic year, okay, they will change to next class, no, immediately the juniors reserved his books. Why? The brand new, they are looking new. Why? Before the examination only he opened the textbook. He did not want to go to the classroom, okay, and he did not want to study in the house. So before only one day or 2 days, okay, before the examination only he opened the textbook. That is like a new textbook. After completing that academic year, though that completed, the textbook is looking good, the textbook is looking new. So that's why the juniors have reserved, already they reserved the textbooks, his textbooks. Probably I opened them only one day before exam. That's why the juniors already reserved his textbooks. Now we have, that is the part 1. The part 1 what we understood, he is very mischievous fellow, the part 1, and he did not want to study. But finally he achieved the, now he is one of the leading architects. How did he reach? We can find in part 2. Okay, now we have entered into the part 2. Just to see, look at the textbook at page number 73. Yes, Hafiz stumbled on architecture because he knew little French and less German. He was offbeat even the pranks that he played. When he found his calling, there was no looking back. And here, how did he enter into that architecture course? That thing we can find. Stumbled means by chance. Luckily he entered into the field. How? Means he did not know French language. He wants to learn German language. At that time something was happened. What happened to him? Just learn. Just to see in the textbook. Now she is asking that. Okay. Now you enter into the architecture course. How did you join the architecture? She is asking. Balaraja. And how did you get into this? How did you get into the field of architecture? She is asking. Sir, you are not having any interest regarding studies. Then how did you enter in this architecture course, sir? She asked that. Now Hafiz contractor. In the College of Architecture, nobody who got below 80 to 85% was allowed to enter. I had only 50%. Okay. Actually, the person who wants to enter into the architecture course, they must get in the examination, before examination means in the entrance exam or intermediate exam, they have to they have to get 80 to 85% marks. But here, just I am 50% marks. I got only 50% marks. So I thought that I am not deserved for that studies. He thought, no, I don't want to go for the architecture course. I wanted to join army. I got my admission letter, but my aunt tore it. Then I decided I wanted to join police force. Yes, actually I wanted to join in army, but the admission letter also came, but my aunt did not like to go to army. Immediately she tore it up. Then I decided to join in police force. Police force I would like to join, but my mother did not like it. Yes, my mother said that don't join police force, just do your graduation. So I went to Jain Hind College in Bombay. Yes, and here mother said don't do the police force, just to join, just complete graduation course. Then you can decide, let it be finished. After a degree, then you can do whatever you want, mother said. Then, yes, page number 73. There I was take either French or German. He already joined in Jain Hind College in Bombay, no? So they have to take languages, either French how it would be, he thought. Then at the time, then my German teacher died. The college told me that I could change the college or take French. Yes, here at the time the German teacher had died. Okay, then the management said that if you want to take French, you can study here. Otherwise, just leave our college. They said. Then there is no option for him. Then he has to take French. There is no German teacher. So at that time, he ready to take French. And yes, now who would give me admission in the other college? I had admission to Jai Hind College by influence. So I came here by influence. By somebody gave the some influence. Okay, somebody recommended me to join in this college. Somebody recommended me. So that's why I have joined here. And who will give me another college? Who will give the seat for me? He questioned himself. So I thought, okay, I'll take French. And I started learning French again. Intermediate also he learned that, but he did not remember even 7 words in French. But okay, this time, okay, at any cost I have to learn, he thought it. Yes, I learned it from my cousin. She was an architect's wife. I was going to architect's office to learn French. Yes, and here, he did not know those words, but he wanted to learn from his cousin. Okay, his cousin knows language, French language. So, cousin's husband architecture. Okay, that is a thing here. So frequently he is going to cousin's office. Okay, means husband's office. Cousin's husband's office is frequently going there. Cousin available. So he frequently is going at the time. What happened? Yes, we are asking. Was it then you decided you wanted to do architecture? Means she's asking. At that time you decided, sir. At the time you have seen all those members, those who are in high position. That's why you wanted to join an architecture course? She asked that. His Hafiz portrait. Actually, it all happened quite by chance. No, while seeing them also I am not having any interest. But it happened by chance. Yes. Means how did he join? He is explaining in this paragraph. Just see. In the architect's office, I saw somebody drawing a window details. A window detail is very advanced drawing. I told him the drawing was wrong. That the window he had drawn would not open. Here, he went to his, frequently he is going to his cousin's husband's office, no? So there he asked him somebody, means an officer is drawing the window, advanced window means some technology they are using. I think with the remote, the window will be open. If they click the remote, the window will be open. And here, the Hafiz contractor, while he is seeing that design, he said that the window will not be open. Hafiz contractor said to the higher officer. Then the officer, he said to him, no, definitely the window will open. No sir, the window will not be open. They argued with each other. Then the officer, he said that, no, will you bet with me? Now my drawing every time is correct. It will not be wrong, he said. No sir, that window will not be opened. He argued with him. Yes, and he then had a bet with me. Later he found that indeed his drawing was wrong. Yes, after some calculations, and he thought that the window will not be opened. Yes, whatever you said, that is correct. The window will not be opened. He accepted that. My cousin's husband was surprised. He asked me to draw specific things which I immediately did. Yes, immediately when these things were observing by my cousin's husband. He has seen everything. Okay, what I am explaining him, he has seen everything. Then he said, he surprised, and he asked me something, just to draw house design, just to draw fort design. Just he asked me. Then immediately I drew those designs. He was surprised. Yes, I asked him to design house. I designed a house. After that, he told me drop everything and join architecture course. Yes, and he said. After that, he told me, what did he told? Drop everything. Just stop your graduation. Just stop your police academy job. Just to drop it everything. Just come to architecture course. He told me. Yes, and we want to meet the principal of the college. Yes, here immediately they went to principal, means what is that, architecture college. Okay, he went there. Then he met the principal, and then what did the principal say? The principal warned me, I will not allow you to take part in the entrance exam, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join, he said. And here they did in the plus 1 or plus 2, means which is called intermediate. In the intermediate did not perform well. Those marks just 50% marks. With the 50%, the boy will not be allowed to the architecture course. And he said, the principal warned me, these marks are not at all good. These marks are not at all sufficient. Just write entrance exam. Okay? If you write the entrance exam, if you perform well in the entrance exam, definitely I will allow you. And he warned him and he suggested him. So then he started studying. Okay, very hard work he kept there. Yes, I got an A plus in entrance exam, and from the day it was cakewalk. Okay, then he performed well in the entrance exam. He prepared well. Everything basics he learned. Okay, and everything he learned for the entrance exam. At the time, it's like a cakewalk for him. Cakewalk means very easy to achieve. Yes, I had never made a plan, but I knew how something it looked like from top. I had never known that what section, but I knew if you cut a plan, what it would be look like. I don't know what the section, I don't know how the plan to draw, but if I knew from the top of the drawing, I can easily say how the design, how the house will be, how the construction will be. Easily I can understand. Yes, I stood first in class. First thought after that, I believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during school. Yes, here these things, these ideas, these skills came from my school days. In the school days, how? Just to see. I had a friend called Behram Divecha. We used to have a competition between for designing for guns, ammunition. Each of us would design something in an effort to be different. Yes, here this is see. His friend Behram Divecha. Okay, and both are doing something very perfectly. Okay, and they are very perfect in the drawing. Behram Divecha and here Hafiz Quadrant, they are very perfect in drawing, and they competed with each other. Okay, they themselves decide we have to draw a house. And immediately his idea also entirely different, Divecha idea also entirely different, and what is it, Hafiz Contractor's idea also entirely different. They designed a house in a different way. Like that he learned from him, he learned from the designs. Yes, in school, when I was in school second or third, one of my teachers, Mrs. Gupta, saw my sketches and told me, see, you are useless in everything else, but your sketches are good. When you grow up, you will become an architect. I did not know at the time, but she was right. Later, after I became an architect, I went back to meet her and told her. Yes, see. Yes, here in the school days, okay, after entering to the third class, first, second he was well. Okay, means he studied well. When he entered into the third class, he did not perform well. And the teacher was explaining something at that time, but he is drawing something. At that time, he was drawing something. Immediately, the teacher went there and started scolding, you are useless fellow. Okay, and she saw the sketches, what he is drawing there, and she saw the sketches, she saw the designs. Immediately, she said, but you are useless in everything, but your sketches are good. Your sketches means drawing, whatever your drawings are, very good. When you grow up, definitely you will be an architect. But at that time, the boy, third class boy, he doesn't know what is the meaning of that. He did not know what is the meaning of architect. But the teacher blessed. Of course, she is scolding him, though she blessed with her words. Definitely will be an architect. Okay, after he achieved, who is that? After Hafiz achieved that architecture course, okay, architect, after he become an architect, he went to the teacher, Mrs. Gupta's house, then he explained, madam, At that time you scolded me and you blessed me with the profession of architecture course. Now I am an architect, ma'am, he said. He went back and met her and told her. Yes. Next, B.R. Balaraja, she is asking that, why do you think you did not like studies? Was it because you felt you could not deal with the curriculum? She is asking. Yes. Why do you think didn't you like studies? Why didn't you like the subjects, sir? And was it because of you felt you could not manage? Means you are thinking you cannot manage it, or you cannot deal the curriculum. Curriculum, which means the syllabus. So the syllabus are very long syllabus and very high education. No, 10th class and 9th class, you are having lot of syllabus. No, that's why you are unable to complete it. She's asking. HC, hobbies contracted. I was very bad at languages. I don't know the languages, French language, German language, other language. I am very bad at languages. Science and geography I could deal with. No problem for science and geology. Okay, I can deal with. Maths was very bad. In those days, I cannot deal with maths. I hate maths, he said. I just was not interested. I am not having any interest on maths. But now he is dealing with maths only. Yes, I was studying for the sake of studying. Just not studying only for the studying. My parents are forcing. My mother is forcing to study. That's why I am studying. I don't have any interest regarding studies. Towards studies, I am not having any interest, he said. What they taught me today, I would forget after 2 days. I would not bother because there was no application of mind there to begin with. Here I would forget whatever the teacher taught me. After 2 days, I will forget it. I am not having any interest. That's why easily I forget it. I don't have any, because there was no application of my mind there. I cannot applicate, means for the example in the chemistry or physics. And here we have to apply it. Okay, we have to think the physics or chemistry, some other subjects. And that's why I am not interested at all. Yes, there is no application of mind. That's why I cannot deal with those subjects, he said. Yes, here some more interview left. Those interview we can see in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.